Look, y'all, I'm giving y'all a little chocolate strawberry tutorial. So, yeah, get your wax paper first. That's what you need. You need to put this down before you dip anything. That's on that. Then, what? Your toothpicks. This will help you dip your strawberries better in your chocolate. Then, a piping bag. Piping bag or sandwich bag. This will help with your drizzle. It don't really matter which one it is. Then, your chocolate. I have my chocolate and I have my candy melt wafers. Like, it don't matter what color. Then I have my little spatula, a little pop. Yes, that's all you need. Then I have Paramount crystals. This will help with the colored chocolate. I love it. Then, of course, your strawberries. Because what the hell else you going to dip? Your fingers? Girl, stop playing with me. And, that's on period. So let's get started. So as you can see, some chocolate is not all the way melted. I just mix until they all are melted in there. So when I melted them, I put them first in there for a minute and then 30 seconds. But when you use colored chocolate, I would suggest that you warm them up and melt them in 30-second increments. So then I'm going to grab my strawberry, grab it by the leaves and the toothpick, and I'm going to dip it in my chocolate and make sure that it's all covered basically. So turn, 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 take it out. I'm going to circle it to get all the excess off to avoid the puddles when you put it on your wax paper. Mine still had it because I didn't let it drip off, but I'm teaching y'all, okay? Y'all can figure that out later. So mix, 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 dip, 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 whatever, whatever. Also, I melt all my chocolate in glass because the glass helps with the chocolate process. You can fill it up as much as you want, as little as you want, but I use glass at all times, like all the time. So. Yeah, I'll spare that up because I don't got time to be talking for that long. So anyway, this your last strawberry. Grab it by the toothpick and the leaves. Dip, 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 dip. Dip again. Swirl to get all the extra chocolate off. Okay, drip, drip, drip. Place it down. And you good, baby, period. That's what you gotta do. Next, we're gonna use the blue chocolate. As you can see, the consistency is it's thick. It's really thick, but we want to fix that. This is when you get your Paramount crystals. I'll put in the bio where you can find it, where you can buy it. I just put that in there so it can loosen up a bit. Some people, they use coconut oil for this part, but I'm afraid people have nut allergies, so that's when I use the Paramount crystals, or you can use Crisco. So you see, I'm mixing it, mixing it, mixing it, mixing it, so it can get to the consistency that I want. So let's fast forward that a bit. Bam. Now it's smooth, and I can dip my chocolate in. Okay. And like I said, you can use any color. It doesn't matter. These are Wilton chocolates. I think Michaels and Joanne Fabrics got rid of this brand, but you can still use it if you want to. Who cares? So we're gonna dip my strawberries again. Dip, 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 dip. I'm so lazy with holding the leaves, but y'all get it. Twirl it to get all the extra chocolate off. Put it back down, and then there you go. Here I'm going to show you guys how I do the half and half strawberries. So basically you just take your strawberry and put it in your chocolate of your choice at an angle, and then you have the half and half effect. It's super easy. There's no freaking Illuminati trick to it. Just do it. I'm going to show you how again. Take your strawberry at an angle, dip. Okay, okay, and look. Bam, half and half. Cold, right? I know. Thank you. So, then we're going to keep doing this one. I have another one. Just be patient. Just be patient. Grab it, put inside your chocolate halfway at an angle. Bam. Okay. Now this last strawberry, I'm going to do like a tuxedo effect. It's going to be both tilted at an angle. So I'm going to show y'all that one too. So at an angle for that one. Bam. Then gonna, okay girl, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Okay. Then the other side. Bam. And then you have a nice little V, little tuxedo. See, cute, right? I got y'all. I got y'all. I got y'all, little babies. We're going to do the same exact thing that we just did, but we're going to do it with the blueberries now. Still going to do half the strawberry to give y'all half that look. And it's going to be at an angle, half, bam. There you go. See, it's really nothing to it but to do it. Just do it. Okay? Just do it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Cold, right? Cold, right? I got y'all. Cold. Listen. And that's that on that. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to drizzle. This is when your piping bag or your sandwich bag comes into play. When you have your sandwich bag, cut the tip, small tip of your sandwich bag. And as you can see, I'm going to cut a small tip of my piping bag, test it out first to see how big my drizzle is. I drizzle over the measuring cup, that way the extra chocolate goes back inside the measuring cup. So bam, 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 bam. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go. See? Start from the bottom. It's really nothing, y'all. See? That my drizzle was a little off, but it's okay. Okay? I think adding drizzle to your berries just gives it a nice finishing touch. Here is also, if you want to add sprinkles to your berries, this is where you will add them when your chocolate is still wet from the drizzle. You can't add sprinkles to no dry strawberries. What the hell? You can't do that. So I'm doing these, a drizzle. See? Super cute. It's a nice finishing touch. Then more drizzle. Yep. Mm-hmm. I'm going to point out that when I do this drizzle, I'm using a sandwich bag. And as you can see, I'm using like the corner of the sandwich bag to make my drizzle. Piping bags can be expensive, and I be getting tired of using my piping bags for some drizzle. So I went to Dollar Tree, get you a $1 box of some sandwich bags, I don't care, and make your drizzle. Period. You be alright. So now I'm gonna show them off to you. This is what they look like. Like I said, I didn't let mine drip enough, so I have the pools of chocolate, but you'll be alright. Then I have these. Super cute, super cute. Then I have this one. Cute. Get close. Yep. What else I got? I have this one. I think it's so cold. I think the half and half is like cold. I don't care. Didn't I just pick you up? Whatever. Didn't I just pick this one up? Whatever, y'all. But yeah, here, close up. Girl, now you're blurry. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so that's cute. I just picked this one up too. What in the world? Anyways, yes, so these are cute. Like I said, you can use any chocolate, any color. When you use the color chocolate, use a Paramount crystals, but I'll put all of my supplies in the description box. Looky. Here go Miss Cookie.